Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to create and set up an automatic shutdown on your Windows 7 computer. So if perhaps you're going to be away from your computer for a while and you wanted to set your computer to shut down at a certain time, this tutorial will be for you. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, and you want to type in Task Scheduler. Best match should come back underneath programs. If you type it in correctly, it should say task scheduler right here. So left click on that. So you want to give this window a second to load here because we're going to be looking for some options on the right that we're going to see here momentarily. Now on the right side here, you want to left click on create basic task. Okay, so now for name here, you can enter whatever name you want. Just for simplicity's sake, I'm going to just name it automatic shutdown, and then whatever description you want to add here. So there's a lot of different kinds of shutdowns we can do. We could set one to be daily, monthly, weekly, or actually every time your computer restarts, which I would honestly not recommend you doing the last one for this tutorial, but you can name it whatever you want. And description, I'm just going to say shutdown computer at 2 o'clock p.m. And now I'm going to left click on next. It's going to ask when you want the task to start. I'm going to left click on one time here. And then again, like I said, you can select other options as well. Then I'm going to left click on next, the start date, whatever you want it to start at, and then the time in here. I'm going to set it just by using my number keys, my keyboard, going field by field to set the correct parameters here. So it should be 2 o'clock p.m. I'm going to left click on next. What action you want the task to perform, I'm going to select start a program and then left click on next again. In this field, this is program/script. I'm going to left click on the browse button right next to it. And now in the file name field, I'm going to type in shutdown. And the best match should say shutdown.exe. I'm going to just left click on that as I'm typing it in. Left click on open. And now where it says add arguments, I'm going to click inside this field by left clicking one time. And I'm going to add a / and then the letter S. So /S, we want to shut down some applications that could be running in the background. Windows is pretty good at doing it without too much of a hassle, and you should be able to close out your applications. And it should not really be a big deal here, but I would recommend you add that. And then you left click on next, and left click on finish. And now, in order to see the task edited, modified, deleted at some point if you chose to do so, left click on the task scheduler library folder up here. You can see we have our task right here, triggers at 2 p.m. So if I double click on that, it'll give you a rundown information. If you ever wanted to delete it or anything, you just right click on the entry itself. You can disable it, you can delete it from here, so very easy to do. And that's about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.